It's gonna be good. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. I'm actually on Facebook, YouTube Live. That's the only way I seem to be able to do a video these days. Having some trouble uploading. Anyhow, I'm here with Big Ron and my wife Jordan, and we just finished something that I would say I'm pretty happy about, pretty proud about. This is a sirloin that we got from Publix tonight. And I think it was about 2 pounds, like $26, and we got a couple vegetables. Anyhow, so what I did to prep it is I put olive oil, salt, and pepper, and my favorite go-to from Dare Meat for dinner, Everglades Original. And so what we did is we cooked this in the air fryer. It's been sitting for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it open and see what it looks like. Jordan, do you want to come hold this so I can cut this open, please? Want to cut this open for me?
Yes, because you're just so handsome. I'll hold it for you.
Thank you.
You're just so cute. Look at you.
You want to get the steak? This steak looks handsome.
What is
wow,
this?
not
Google Live?
YouTube. Alright guys, so for the first steak, don't mind all the juices, all this juice I'm gonna put on different, all this meat I'm gonna put on a different plate. So yeah, check it out. I think it looks really good, I'm not gonna lie. So let's push this to the side and check the other one.
Can I try a bite for it? Just make sure it look good?
Of course.
Okay.
Again, this steak has been sitting for a while.
I
Check
make
it
a
out.
little bite from my mouth. Ooh.
Wowzers.
Wow, so I'm watching Kilo
Ronnie, I
bite.
told you this air fryer is the bomb, dude.
Okay, watch this, guys.
I'm not even kidding.
Want something really cool?
Yep, here. I'm gonna grab this. Here, I want to try one.
Okay.
Ready?
Huh?
Huh.
Oh, whoa,
Cut me
whoa.
Ron one.
Alright, now we're gonna do Ron.
There we
Dawn.
go.
What is it like, Ron? Good?
So yeah, guys. So we have the sirloin here, New York strip there, and what we have in the air fryer at the moment are veggies. We have sweet onion, baby bella mushrooms, garlic, and sweet onion. I'm gonna go ahead and let that cook. So basically, that's it, guys. That's our dinner. Ooh, I think J Dog really loves it. Is it good?
Babe. For real.
Here.
If you love me, you'll try this. Like that.
sauce?
Let's try it. Right?
Well,
Strike.
I think it's pretty good.
You need different one, Ron?
Try what sushi does. It's been sitting for a while, so that's why the juices are running out. But we'll put it on the dry plate,
You didn't get the fat.
and we'll plate ourselves and eat.
Come on.
Ron, the camera's right here. You tell me what you think. That air fryer is bomb, ain't it? Perfect.
Perfecto.
Perfecto.
Guys,
Don't worry. Our son, he actually ate a lot of raw beef tonight. And we're going to watch him and make sure in the morning he's not.
like and subscribe to his Instagram. Miles Sheriff. Ain't he precious? Look at that. He even has a mohawk. None of y'all saw this mohawk.
No. Alright guys, so that's the video. That was our steak that we cooked in the air fryer. Again guys, all we did was season it, put a little bit of olive oil, threw it in the air fryer at 220 degrees for about, 45 minutes. And it came out 160 degrees at medium rare. So
Just like a
it
diner.
was really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video. This is just to keep you guys interested and
Interested.
a little entertained until we figure things out as far as our laptop goes and our uploading. All right.
Gang, gang.